what is up, guys? Mr. Melcom Plays here. Well, today, yes, we are back again with another game. Well, another opening of Roblox. As you can see to my last videos, my bedroom has changed. Hello. How you doing? My sister's here. I'm going to say, unfortunately, she's not here, but we got these in last episode, if you can remember.
I don't have one.
Check it out. Go check the video out. And we're going to be opening this one. I don't know if it's... Well, last time... Hey, can you bring me that, like, Roblox? Wait, where is it? It's here, look. Last time it was in this compared to this. So, as you can tell, the difference, I don't know why that's different, but why is that on there? I don't know. But, yeah. So, let's unbox this bad baby. And, yeah, I can do this with my nails, I think. Yikes. I think I need some scissors because, like...
I don't know how they are.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Shall I do it?
Oh, it's right there. Yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
Ah, it's so easy. It's so hard to get my naked... If
I don't see your face.
Okay, that's better. Okay, so here we are. We have this little box. Let's see what's behind number box.
Just a Roblox.
Oh, I wanted this guy. I don't know. It's like this guy with a beard, and I've never got him before, but he's pretty cool indeed. I mean, I didn't know that we're gonna get him. I really want Alex Neutron. Can't even talk today. Talk, right?
Have you got the one that I have?
No.
Who's that?
He's got a little hat and all of that. Oh, get off me!
Okay. I don't think you wanted that.
I did.
Because it wasn't
actually. No, I didn't. But he's pretty cool indeed.
Okay,
Wait, what way are you supposed to have him? I think that way. Look at this dude. He looks so cool. Yeah. Oh, he's got a little cane as well. wait, what's his name? He's called Izimo. I don't know. Ismino. I don't know. Okay. But yeah. How you? I'll put it in the other hand. He's got a little cane. It's so cool. Wait, are you supposed to like... Oh, what the heck? What? Is that what you're supposed to do right now? Because I'm kind of confused. It's not really fitting. Oh, wow. I just broke his legs. I'm so sorry, little man. Right. He's got an awesome suit, but that's this guy right here. Look at Dad. Ooh. He's so cool. I love his little tuxedo. And yeah. So let's... Ooh, look at that. We can scratch it off. I don't know if I should. Shall I? I'm going to scratch it off, shall we? Okay. A coin. I need a coin. I know I could just do it with my thumbnail, guys, but I need a coin. Hang on. Oh yeah, guys, hang on. It's right here. Why did I see it? Dang it. I feel it. Wow! Ouch. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay, guys. Scratch it off in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to do it. What? Wait. Oh, you can. Oh, God, that's hard. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm gonna do it with my thumbnail. Okay. What? Oh, it's so hard. One of the hardest scratch things I've ever tried in my life. Yeah, that ends there.